Welcome to the Contractor Success Map podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Hart, and I'm an expert on how you can get the most out of your contracting company. The reason I designed this show is to help you turn your contracting company from a people-dependent money pit into a process-dependent cash cow to have the freedom you dreamed of when you started your business. Every Friday, we're releasing podcasts with information to help you get the most out of your contracting company. Be sure to join us at www.contractorsuccessmap.com. and subscribe to receive our latest articles and special offers. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.
Hello there. Welcome back or welcome to our podcast. I hope you are doing great and in excellent health. This is Norhalma delivering our 475th episode by Sherry DeHart. You can listen to the other sessions on iTunes, Spotify, or wherever podcast content is published. It's non-sequential. You can listen to the topics that interest you the most. Last week, we talked about bad construction accounting business practices. And today, Sherry wrote about what actually works, and it's entitled Proven Construction Business Processes When Creating Your To-Do List. So let's get into it. When you're a construction business owner, your to-do list is often long and constantly growing longer. You need to do many things, and it can feel like they're all urgent. In such cases, it's easy to push essential tasks to the side and focus on less vital activities. But that often means you miss deadlines, make mistakes, or always feel as though you're trying to catch up. Construction companies have two basic leadership styles. Wait until an urgent situation occurs and react like a firefighter, or develop business processes that allow the company to respond calmly and natural resources and solutions to the issues, like a traffic police officer on a sunny afternoon. Firefighter leaders operate in one of three mental states: going into a crisis, coming out of a crisis, waiting for a crisis. Traffic director leaders operate in one of four mental states: preparing for new projects to appear, preventing projects from becoming an emergency, planning for implementation of current and future projects, and empowering others and directing the flow of projects to completion and billing. The graph below is similar to the diagram shown in the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Habit 3, Put First Things by Stephen R. Covey to demonstrate this principle. So the graph has urgent on the left side and not urgent on the right column. First row has important and second is not important. There are 4 quadrants. The first one is urgent and important, which are the crisis, pressing problems, deadline-driven projects, meetings, and preparations. The second one, which is the not urgent but important, are the preparation, prevention, planning, and empowerment. The third one, which is urgent but not important, are the needless interruptions, unnecessary reports, unimportant meetings, phone calls, emails, and other people's minor issues. And the last but not the least is the fourth quadrant, which is the not urgent and not important tasks, which are trivia, busy work, some phone calls, irrelevant mail or emails, and excessive relaxation. We spend our time in one of 4 ways as illustrated in the time management matrix. This matrix defines activities as I've said, urgent, not urgent, important, and not important. With this in mind, creating your business to-do list would be more straightforward. Here are some ways for you to determine the most productive order to complete your task. First is know all of your tasks. It isn't enough to have a running list of tasks in your head. You need to write them out to see them at a glance. Take the time to list all your tasks and break down large tasks into smaller steps. Write a list of the activities you need to do for the week or even the next 2 weeks on Monday morning. Include information such as how urgent they are, how long they'll take to complete, and their deadlines. Now you know what you need to complete and when things need to be done. Second, determine what tasks are vital. There are many methods for determining which tasks are the most vital. We'll go into the Eisenhower Decision Matrix and the ABCDE method. In the Eisenhower Decision Matrix, similar to the graph I've mentioned, you classify each task into one of 4 quadrants. These quadrants are based on whether the task is important, urgent, both, or neither. Tasks that are both important and urgent should be done first, followed by those that are either important but not urgent, or urgent but not important. And finally, those that are neither important nor urgent. If possible, delegate tasks that are both important and urgent to someone else. Another method is the ABCDE method, in which you assign tasks, or you assign each task on your list a letter from A through E based on its level of importance. Tasks with a level of A or B are the most important, while D and E are not at all critical. Anything from C down can likely be rescheduled or delegated to someone else. And third, schedule your task. Now that you know which tasks are the most critical, schedule your to-do list in that order. Write yourself a daily checklist that puts the most important task at the start of your day. Don't overschedule yourself, however. After all, there's a good chance that a new activity that is both important and urgent will arise in the course of your week, and you'll need the space in your calendar to address it. Give yourself deadlines in the day to get the work done based on a reasonable assessment of how long the activity should take you. You can also chunk your work, setting aside specific, uninterrupted periods to do focused work, and then scheduling breaks around that. Make sure you turn off distractions and let your colleagues know you aren't available during those times. Final thoughts. Large, profitable construction companies have known and used some form of business process management, or BPM, for hundreds of years. We've always used MAP, or marketing, accounting, and production, to help our clients find the treasure hidden inside their construction business. You can download our free toolkit if you haven't done so. It's located on the very top of our homepage, on the top bar. By determining which of your tasks are the most important to you and your construction business and scheduling your day based on that criteria, you can ease the pressure caused when you have a long list of activities to take care of. And that ends Sherry's blog post. Want to chat about growing your construction business? Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Email Sherry at Sherry, S-H-A-R-I-E, Sherry at fasteasyaccounting.com, or give her a call at our toll-free number 1-800-361-1770 or US phone line 206-361-3950. Also, our promo code is still available for you to use, our loyal podcast subscribers and listeners. We are grateful for your support, and that's why I'm still giving away the promo code for 20% off in our Fast Easy Accounting store and Construction Accounting Academy. It's Podcast 20, PODCAST 20, Podcast 20. Whether you need a bookkeeping template or you would like to enroll in one of our construction accounting classes. Links to our online store and academy are in our blog. On behalf of Sherry and our team here at Fast Easy Accounting, this is Norhalma. Thank you all for listening. Stay safe and healthy.
And stay tuned for upcoming episodes on how to turn your contracting company into a process-dependent cash cow. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to the Contractor Success Map. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a 5-star rating and review here on iTunes, and make sure to head over to www.contractorsuccessmap.com to subscribe to receive the latest articles and special offers. If you'd like to discuss your business strategy, simply click on the button labeled Strategy Session. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.